So, what the heck are you doing here, Lanny? In front of your mom's car? Well, her headlights are out. So we are going to replace them. Now, I'm not much of a car guy. I don't like cars. I don't even drive a car. I don't even have my license. So I am definitely not a car guy. But living on an acreage, I'm not really a lot of guys. I'm not really a furnace guy, but we fixed that. I'm not really a water pump guy, but I fixed that. AKA a plumber. Notice my technical usage of terminologies. But I was featured on a live stream recently with a bunch of car people. So I thought I would film myself showing you how to replace the headlights. Well, giving out a shout out to Nichols channel, who's an actual car people. And they might actually be able to help you a lot more with your vehicle than I will. He's basically one of the people I go to learn things on. That's kind of my bit, right? I don't know what the hell I'm doing most of the time. And that's why I make these as kind of little confidence boosters. Not only for myself, but for other people out there who are like, oh my god, I can't do that. One here too. But you can. And you can with help like people with people like D.E. Nichols and them sharing their knowledge on a platform like this. Yeah. He's really close too. He's like 949 subscribers, I think, last I checked. But yeah, the first thing you're going to want to do definitely is make sure you bought the right headlights. And it's generally a good idea, I think, to buy two. Because they've, in theory, been in there both the same amount of time, and the other one's probably going to burn out soon anyways. Which is pretty much what happened here. This first headlight burnt out, and then within about a week the second one did. This is the kind of tricky part. Depending on your headlight, so we'll have to... This part keeps the dust and stuff out. Oh, maybe pull the tab part, that might make your life easier. There we go. Oh, and the wire. And then drop your headlight. And then grab that screwdriver that you dropped on the ground that your mother now took into the house that you needed. Yeah, so once again, your headlight may be different. This is a Pontiac G3 2009 Wave or something. So this one actually has a self-aligning light because of this fancy extra bracketing.
this thing out. Yeah. Light bulb number 1. See, in our particular case, the high beam still works, but the low beam is not working. And it's a good idea not to touch it. This one we can touch because we're not using it anymore, but the other one we're not going to touch it. No touchy. It's the Emperor's New Groove up in here again. Yeah, this little thing kind of directs the beam, diffuses it for us. And also makes it so we don't have to touch it. Alright. So in our particular case, because it's got winging, there's only one way our light bulb can go in. Easy as that. And we just reverse make it. Yeah. Oh! I don't think we need to jam it in there. Yeah, okay. Oh, not that one. We need our screws. Let's put that one in first. Put our bracketing in. And this one should hold our assembly in. Yeah. Alright, and we'll put this bad boy back on there. Top. So it does have a way to go. And then you can see our contacts there. And put this bad boy back in. As easy as pie. Like that. And you have yourself a car. There. So there's one here. Oh. Helps me push the button. I still haven't found that other one. It is eluding me. Of course, it couldn't be nice to just fall through the car, but... Sometimes they can be a little stubborn. Pull. Flip it around. Adjust your camera angle so your lovely viewing public can view publicly. Oh, I put this one on the wrong way. Oh, no, I didn't. I'm a liar. Okay. It's upside down now. Alright. Remove your screws. with the proper screwdriver so you don't strip your screws. Okay, there we go. My magnet's a little full. Sure. Bam. You got yourself another light bulb out. So we gotta take this piece out again. And once again, we'll just pull the bulb out. And grab the winging. And put it in the right way. Bam! I think the red screwdriver was the better one, actually. And feed our thingy. Nope. I don't do good with thingies. Thingies always are elusive. Oh no. It's all falling apart. There we go. Yeah, you want to make sure that's there. Have the other screw holding it. Bam. Once again, we're ready for and then the top is going to go to the top. Right. And the final step now. Oh yeah. It's the final step. Yeah, so you definitely need one of these. Extender Armomatic 5000s. I believe they're, you can Google them and find them under that name. I don't think it's the kind of thing you want to over tighten. Like that, it's probably not going anywhere. Probably not. Unless you like hit something pretty good. But these are kind of flimsy plastic straps, so I wouldn't overdo it. Oops, I might have done the thing. Oh, and I did it. I didn't do it, but I did now. Did I plug the cord in? Yeah. And I think we have ourselves a car. Let's check it out. In the moment we're waiting for, did Lanny waste his time and money? Was it just a relay?
That's how to replace the headlights in a 2009 Pontiac G3 Wave. And like I said, I'm not much of a car guy, so if you want a lot more car guy stuff, make sure to check out Dave Nichols, or D.E. Nichols, and his channel. Lots of great car stuff. He's also on rumble.com. He'll place that Rumble 0 video so you don't have to. With great places like MSN and Yahoo. Well, Yahoo sounds so great, but MSN is pretty great. Sorry, Yahoo. But, yes, so, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Go watch D.E. Nichols. You'd really appreciate it. I'm sure of it. I am sure of it. I'm sure of it. And also check out Sane Auto. I was in a live stream with them and a bunch of other people the other day. Don't really remember too many people's names. Lady Borgia, if you're watching, hi. But yes. And if you're still watching, bye. No. But yeah, thanks for watching. Click the chicken to subscribe. Oh, why did I do this? Oh. There we go.
Winter's been too long.